All right. Welcome back, everybody. It's Julian Crypto. Bitcoin is still going upwards right now, $20,300. What will happen in next couple of weeks, days and months? Look at this. Bitcoin halvings previously. Bitcoin rises around 150, 200, 155% in just 1 year. If Bitcoin price will behave like previously, it will have around 60 to even $80,000 it will cost in next year. What do you think? What do you think also about Litecoin? If Litecoin will react like previously before its halvings, Litecoin price will also rise around 60% to price of BTC in just 6 months. What is your opinion? Do you invest in Litecoin? Because I invest. Maybe I'm investing in Litecoin, I don't know. I have small portion of LTC right now. The next piece of news is about Avi. New partnerships for Avi Volume 3 protocol makes prices rally. The Avi network plans to unite with the Metis DAO and Board Ghost developing for an Avi Volume 3 development. From this tweet, price of Avi rises around 10%, but from this tweet previously 18 days ago, it rises over 26%. Previously also Avi tweeted about this update and it also rises around 22% to BTC. It's nice to speculate on these tweets. Also, the Metis DAO still isn't rising. Tell me, do you know why? If yes, write in the comment, and if you believe that Metis DAO should rise, also comment it. Also SHIB. SHIB is rising around 20% since yesterday's tweet. It was tweeting about its Shibarium. Shibarium layer 2 for Shiba network. Next piece of news is about Cronos. Cronos blockchain has announced its new update called Galileo. In brief, the improvements that users and developers can expect from Cronos 1.0 is prioritization of mempool to further scale of transactions per second, optimized node storage, 30% less storage for full nodes, generalized reduction of node startup time by 50% and other node performance improvements, and new Cosmos features to pave way for greater Ethereum virtual machines and Cosmos interoperability. And that's all. That's all for Cronos updates. What do you think? Do you believe that Cronos will gain? If yes, it might gain even 30% easily to BTC. In my opinion, of course, and this is not a financial advice. Next piece of news is about FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried, because FTX collapsed crypto exchange says it has stolen. It was hacked by $415 million. So pretty big money. And to remind you, the last week the company told a bankruptcy judge in Delaware that it had recovered over $5 billion in assets. It was right here they tweeted it, and they told it. And since then, FTT token roses 83% to BTC. It's a big gain to BTC. Next piece of news is from RPL. RPL has announced its listing on Binance exchange, and from the announcement it rises around 35%. The next info is from Huobi. Huobi also is announcing that it will list RPL. In my opinion, it's good positive news for RPL and it might rise. But of course, it's up to you what you will do. Everybody is adult and mature, and today we will have macroeconomics event retail sales in US, and forecast is minus 0.8%, and retail sales measures the change in the total value of sales at the retail level. In theory, a higher than expected reading should be taken as positively bullish for USD and opposite for BTC, while lower than expected reading should be taken as negative bearish for USD. But in my opinion, analyzing data, we see no such correlation, dramatical correlation in previous events to price of BTC. Maybe this one when the forecast and actual level was much different. The price rises over 9% in a really short period of time. But other situation, other events, in my opinion, didn't respond well to BTC price. What is your opinion on this? And of course, for today, that's all. Thank you guys, and see you tomorrow. And let's take a look at BTC events and macroeconomics events in this week. January 19, so tomorrow, unemployment rate 3.4%, this is forecast, and initial jobless claims 214k, this is a forecast. Alright, we will remind you also that in Max Data is working on new bots for Twitter. So these bots for Twitter will be scrapping Twitter and finding tweets like this, tweets like that, to inform you and alert you almost every time there will be a potential for some coins to gain profits. Alright? So today that's all, everything I told you I'm doing by myself. See you guys and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.